Hola! Today I'll be showing you how I achieve gorgeous defined waves whether you have fine to medium or coarse texture hair. Let's get started. If you have fine to medium texture waves, begin by cleansing your scalp with our gentle clarifying shampoo. If you're dealing with scalp dryness, I recommend our Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo for that extra hydration boost. Follow up with our super smooth cream conditioner to lock in moisture and smooth those strands. Anytime I have buildup, I love to use this product, and of course I follow up with this product. Now, if you have coarse texture waves, your routine will be a bit different. Start with our gentle clarifying shampoo and finish off with our Ayurvedic deep conditioner to soften those strands. Next, apply our avocado and rose oil clump and define crème to enhance those beautiful waves. If you have coarse hair, swap out the avocado cream for a moisture balanced leave-in conditioner for softer hair. Finish off with hairspray and light oil for that radiant shine. Remember, with the right products and techniques, your hair can be your ultimate accessory. Stay fabulous!